Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up CRM KPIs in Zoho CRM for measurable targets, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Zoho CRM account. Navigate to the dashboard to access your CRM features. Locate the Reports section from the main menu. Click on Create Report to begin setting up your KPI metrics. Choose the type of report you want to create, such as sales or marketing. Select the modules that are relevant for your KPIs, like leads, deals, or contacts. Define the criteria for the data you want to include in your report. Click on Add Filters to specify conditions for the metrics you're tracking. For example, you may want to filter by date range, lead source, or deal stage. Once you've set your filters, click Run Report to see a preview of your data. Next, identify the key performance indicators relevant to your business goals. Common KPIs include conversion rates, sales cycle length, or customer acquisition cost. Document these KPIs to ensure clarity on what you will measure. Return to the report setup and navigate to the Charts option. Select the type of visualization that best represents your data, such as line charts or bar graphs. Customize your chart settings to highlight the KPIs you documented earlier. Click Save to retain your report and its related visualizations. Go back to the dashboard and locate your newly created report. Pin it to the dashboard for easy access and tracking. Consider setting up automated reports to receive regular updates on your KPIs. Navigate to Automation and click on Scheduled Reports. Select your report and determine the frequency of updates, such as daily, weekly, or monthly. Input the email addresses of team members who should receive these reports. Once everything is set, click Schedule to finalize the automation. Regularly review your KPIs to adjust strategies as necessary. Leverage the insights gained from your reports to optimize your sales processes. Encourage team collaboration by sharing the report findings with relevant departments. Stay proactive in adapting KPIs based on your changing business objectives. This ensures your team stays focused on what matters most for measurable success. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.